In the world of nutrition, a plant-based diet is characterized by the dominance of plant-derived foods. The term plant-based can encompass different approaches, from strict vegan diets that shun all animal products to flexitarian where plant foods are the star. But moderate amounts of eggs, dairy, and meat are allowed. Opting for plant-based doesn't mean giving up taste or satisfaction. Instead, it offers a diverse palette of foods, including fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, nuts, and seeds. Plant-based nutrition relies on the principle of diversity. Through a range of plant sources, the body obtains its essential nutrients. For instance, dark leafy greens are rich in calcium, grains cater for your carbs, and legumes and nuts are protein powerhouses. Berries and other fruits are packed with antioxidants, while seeds offer essential fats. It is this union of different plants, each with their own nutrient profile, that creates a balanced and healthful diet. Adopting a plant-based diet not only helps you maintain a healthy weight, but also safeguards your health in more profound ways. Plant-rich diets are linked to lower cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar, resulting in diminished risk of heart disease and diabetes. The high fiber content promotes better digestion, while the abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants support immunity. Furthermore, plant-based eating could be your ally in cancer prevention due to the potent phytochemicals plants contain. While the plant-based diet offers numerous health benefits, poor meal planning could lead to nutrient deficiencies. The most notable concern is protein, as meat is the widely recognized protein source. However, numerous plants like lentils, chickpeas, and tempeh are rich in protein. Similarly, for iron, calcium, and B12, incorporating the right variety of plant foods can supply adequate amounts. Plus, fortified plant milks or supplements can ensure your diet's nutrient completeness, striking a balance in plant-based nutrition. Transitioning to a plant-based diet need not be overwhelming. Start slow, perhaps with meatless Mondays, and gradually increase your plant-based meals. Focus on whole foods and avoid processed vegan options. Get creative in the kitchen with a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, seeds, and nuts. Experiment with herbs and spices for flavor. Try veggie versions of your favorite recipes. Every small change brings you closer to a healthier lifestyle and robust well-being.